What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have this 2015 Chevrolet 2500 6.6 diesel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the EGR, which is very simple. You don't really have to remove a lot of things. Just remove the AC compressor and a bunch of things and you will be free to go. Alright, so let's go to the front and start removing the EGR. Okay, as you can see here, we have the AC compressor already removed, and to remove this compressor we need a 15mm to remove the 4 bolts around it, and also we're gonna remove the dry belt a little bit, that way we can access the compressor and allow it to get out of this hole right here. Okay, so once we have the connection already out of the way and the bolts out of the way, we're gonna remove the compressor without even removing the lines. So we're gonna remove this like this, and we're gonna put it aside. Okay, so next we're going to remove all the 13mm around the EGR. You have one right here at the top and one at the bottom. So these are the short ones. You have 2 at the top like this, and you have the other 2 on the side, which are these. And as you can see, the EGR is already loose, and we can lift this pipe right here, that way we can get more clearance and slide it out like this. And well, some of the gaskets are gonna fall, but the EGR gets out like this. So now we have the new one here, and we're gonna put new gaskets, and well, let's get done. Also, we have this gasket right here. This one we can put it at the end because it has like the little tabs right here, so it can hold right here. But we're gonna put a new one. And here we have the new EGR valve. We're gonna slide it in the same way, but we're just gonna place it here for a while, and then going to get the new gaskets. Okay, here we have the new gaskets. As you can see here, this is the part numbers. We have one here, and we actually have 2 of the same one, and these 2 go on the side. So we're gonna get this one out of here, and let's get this one out. Okay, brand new. This one's gonna go at the bottom right here. And let's see. Okay, let's take the other one. This one goes at the top like this. Okay, but this one is gonna go at the end. And let's see, we have this one right here. This one, I believe, is the one that goes at the bottom because it's bigger. Yep, this one goes at the bottom. Yep, that one goes at the bottom, this one at the top. So this is the hard part. The hard part is gonna be to align everything and make sure nothing falls off the way. Okay, so we're gonna leave that one at the bottom first. Just like this. slide it like this. There we go. We have that one there. Next one is gonna be this one at the top. Okay, let's see. Looks like this one is not aligning very good. There we go. So now we can put back the compressor. And let me get the thing. Puros yonques, yonqueados. Well, and actually the code we are getting for this EGR is actually this code. Let me just pull it up right here. I think I have it saved here. Just give me 1 second. Well, the code we were having is this one, P049D EGR position not learned, and we couldn't get the EGR to work. I was doing the function to make it work, but at the beginning it wasn't doing anything. So here we have the EGR. We have the new EGR already installed, and before, when I was commanding it, it wasn't moving at all. We couldn't see anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for the scanner to communicate with the car, and what we'll see, we have 0, before I had like 200% right here, and this is what we want to see. We need to see the EGR position sensor to move. So when we command the EGR, we need to see the voltage move. So I'm gonna increase up the command. It's gonna send 10% command, and there we go. We have EGR position moving. So if I increase it more, we need to see that voltage go up a little bit more. And I think it goes all the way to 5 volts when it's all the way open. As you can see here, it's going up 60%, 70%. Let's increase it more, 80%. So we have 3 volts, 90, and if we increase all the way, we have 100% commanding. So about 3.8 volts, which is good. So we're gonna decrease it, make sure it's not jamming or anything. And let's see. There we go. There we go. Slowing down, slowing down. And well, once we do this escape procedure, then it's gonna reset to 0% again. So let's just clear the codes. And usually you get this code if you close the switch and open it really quick. This plays the code really quick. So I'm gonna have the same code right here. So once I erase this code, well, I'm gonna do the same. No codes detected. So we're gonna close. We're gonna open, and we're gonna recheck for codes again. And we should have no codes. Alrighty. So we'll call this a problem fixed. This is how you fix and change the EGR valve on this 2015 Chevrolet 2500 6.6 diesel. I hope you liked the information, guys, on this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, turn notifications on, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya.